Hello, guys. So, today I'm going to talk about Venus. Start with understanding the properties of Venus. We know that Venus is a watery sign. Venus is a planet of love. Venus is a planet of comfort, luxury, beauty, sex, romance, happiness. That's what is Venus. Venus is your comfort. Venus is where you want to have peace. So that is Venus, and now Venus is transiting in the sign of Capricorn retrograde. Do you know what is retrograde, right? Retrograde is when a planet starts going backwards. But what is its importance in the life of a people, of an individual? There are different strengths of a planet to perform or to give a result. So when a planet is combust, the planet is considered to be very weak to perform. You have to perform in the game. That's how the planets have to perform in a game. So when a planet is combust, the planet is really weak. But when the planet is retrograde, that means the planet becomes double. The planet gets two times the strength of the ordinary strength which they have. So when a planet is retrograde, you can just easily say that this planet will give the results no matter what. So why are people afraid, or why are they very much interested in retrograde? See, when a malefic planet becomes retrograde, definitely the results are stronger, difficult, and scary. For example, malefics like Saturn or Mars, when they become retrograde, they push you. No planet is bad actually. We all have to accept all the planets and their lovely energies, but just in case, there are bad teachers and good teachers. The malefic planets are like a bad teachers, and they push you to evolve in a very hard way. So that's how retrograde Saturn works, or retrograde Mars works. Retrograde planets, when are benefic planets like Venus, or soft planets like Jupiter, they try to teach you in a very sweet way, like you feel very easy. So that's why when benefic planets become powerful, it's a good thing. So Venus, we all know, is a soft planet, is like a queen. She wants a luxury, she wants love, she wants somebody taking care of her. So this Venus, when goes in the sign of Capricorn, we all know Capricorn, what is the sign of Capricorn, right? Let me just again let me just tell you what is Capricorn. Capricorn is a sign of profession. Capricorn is a sign of Saturn, which is really, really, really hard work. It's a very, very hard working sign. When you see a Capricorn individual ascendant, just tell it without even thinking that that person loves to work. So when Capricorn, which is sign of your karma, your actions, when this Capricorn, which is also half water half muddy, it doesn't have a clean water, it has a water which is very bit dirty or muddy waters. So when this water gets pure Venus is pure Ganges water. When this Venus goes into Capricorn, you can understand that Venus is really, really uncomfortable, because Venus is cleanly freak. You cannot have you cannot enjoy luxury in a dirty hotel room. You feel very relaxed only when you are in a luxury 5-star hotel which is very clean. That's the same thought process behind Venus. She wants cleanliness. And uh, when a planet which loves comfort, which loves lazing around, goes into the sign of Capricorn of Saturn, where she has to work hard, it becomes really, really difficult for her. So how to manifest this thing into the individual's life? For example, if you have Venus in if you have Capricorn, suppose in the ninth house, so you'll be worried about your work, because now your comfort level is telling you not to enjoy, because Venus is in Capricorn and she's really worried about your work, your profession. And since Venus is retrograde, you will be doing some sort of things which in a hurry burry, like which you want to achieve your work, which because you want to achieve your things related to your work. So that's what Venus in Capricorn will do, depending on which house you are. For Taurus ascendant like me, Venus is transiting my 10th house, Capricorn. So what I will feel is that for my work, should I travel somewhere, should I go somewhere that will make me happy? So that will a thing which Taurus people will do. For somebody who has 12th house Capricorn, they would be feeling like spending on work, like they want to, they are really worried about their work. They might be worried about that things are not going very smoothly. They also may fall for somebody at work, because 12th house is house of sexual pleasure also. So there are chances that you meet somebody and for a romantic thing, and uh, you have little romance there. But you have to also be careful, because Venus is retrograde, and at one point of time it is going to get direct also. So yeah, you need to be careful with your decisions, like you need to be really careful. Somebody who is having Venus is there in first house, again they might feeling very good at their work, because they might get success, they might get recognized at their work. So these are the things, and you can depend on which house Venus and Capricorn are going, the result will change. But yes, the one common thing will be that there will be something, stress will be going around about work, depending on where the Lord of Capricorn is going in your chart. So I hope you like my reading for Venus in Capricorn, retrograde Venus in Capricorn. If you want me to tell about your chart, please mention the house in which you have Capricorn, and where the Saturn is, and then we can see. I would like to answer your questions about that. Thank you. Please subscribe, please like, and please share. Thank you. Take care.